Hi, it's Karen. We're going to do our weekly cleaning hour. I have 10 tasks to do, and we're going to do 6 minutes for each task. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to have a timer, set the timer for 6 minutes. As I give you each task, pause the YouTube video, hit go on your timer, work for 6 minutes, come back, and get the next task. So are you ready? First thing we're going to do is make the bed. So on your mark, hit the timer and go. You're back. The second task is swish and swipe. That's when you're going to clean the toilet. You're going to clean the toilet every day because you poop every day. Can I say poop? Should I use a euphemism? My favorite euphemism is drop the kids off at the pool. So what you're going to do for swish and swipe is just squirt some toilet cleaner in there, swish it around, and then you're going to take some disinfectant and just swipe around everything, the handle too, and get everything nice and clean. So grab your timer, hit the button, and go. Well, that didn't take too long, did it? Now we're going to disinfect everything. By everything, the CDC recommends disinfecting all the high-touch areas in your house. That would be your doorknobs, your light switches, your remote controls, your keyboard, all the handles on everything in the kitchen, and just use your Clorox wipes. If you don't have Clorox wipes, you can use a spray and paper towel, or you can make your own liquid with 1 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of bleach and an old rag. Use rubber gloves when you're using bleach because it can be pretty harsh to your skin. So get your timer, hit the button, and disinfect everything. Hello. 4th task, ready for this? This is purge your paper clutter. If you have any piles of paper, maybe now's a good time to go through them. Or if you have bills that you have to pay, go ahead and pay them. You have some filing to do, go ahead and file them. Just 6 minutes of it. It might not handle everything, but you will feel like you got something done, right? So just don't argue with me. Just go ahead and do it. I say if you're going to argue about something that you're going to do for 5 minutes, it takes longer to argue about it than to do it. Did you see that? So hit the button and go. How did you do? Did you get your paper clutter put away? I put my day 47 back up. This is day 47 of the coronavirus stay-at-home order. And I think because we're staying home, we do want to have our homes a little bit nicer, feel a little bit calmer. I know I do. Next task, number 5, is vacuum. Can you vacuum your whole house in 6 minutes? I don't know. I don't know what your house looks like, but I know I can't. I just do what I can, and I figure next weekly cleaning, I'll catch up with the rest. And it just doing something. Sometimes just doing something makes you feel a little bit better. So I'm going to say, go. Hey, did you vacuum everything? I gave this a test run, and I'll tell you, I vacuumed the living room, the dining room, and my room. I didn't get to any of the other rooms, but that's okay. I'll get them next time. All right, number 6. Number 6 is dust. Again, you might not get to everything. Just pick it up next week. Don't worry about it. Dust for 6 minutes, get your timer, and start. Hey, we're back. Number 7 is mop. We're going to mop the floor. I did this as a test run, and I was able to mop the kitchen, the bathroom, and the laundry room in 6 minutes. So I think you can do this too. Get set, go. Hello. Number 8 is the mirrors and the doors. You want to get at least the mirror in the bathroom where you get the, dental floss home runs. And I like to do my storm doors because I have a dog and she barks out the storm door, and I get like clouds of dog spit on the doors. I'm sorry, that was disgusting, right? I like to clean that off at least once a week. So 6 minutes, get done what you can, and go. Are you back? Next one, number 9. We are buzzing through this, right? Is take out the trash. Take out all the trash in the house, kitchen, bathroom, wherever you've got trash, just get it out. I like to do my weekly cleaning on the day that, the day before trash is collected, because I have to put my trash out to the curb on a Monday night, and then they collect it very early on a Tuesday. And I just find it very convenient to do my cleaning on that day. So you're probably going to do this in less than 6 minutes. I'm going to just say, go. Hey now, we're at 10. We are almost done. In fact, you might be done, because the next one is to shine your sink. Shine your sink means you are going to get everything out of the sink. I actually like to do this at night, clear the sink, and then you take your dish towel and wipe the inside of the sink. You wipe the faucet, the handles, and everything's really nice and shiny. And then you take that dish towel and throw it into the laundry and put out a fresh dish towel. And then in the morning, when you go to breakfast, you don't have to look at a sink full of dirty dishes. And that makes me feel so much calmer. You have a clean dish towel every day, and it's just more organized. It's just calming, and especially now during this this lockdown, this stay-at-home order, this corona quarantine, whatever you want to call it. I think we want to make our environment a little bit better, a little bit nicer, and this is something that you can do every day. So I'm going to say, go. Hey, you're back. You just did 1 hour of cleaning with me. High five. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. We put out new videos every Saturday. If you would, please share it with your friends if you think they find it helpful to have a cleaning buddy. Anyway, see you later. Stay safe. Wash your hands. I love you.